Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rocked. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello, and we are back. It is Mondays. I know, right? Monday, February 26th, and Bitcoin is marching up towards 55K. I don't know if it's going to hit it during the stream. It's definitely going to be intriguing. I'm ready for it. Mark Noby in the house. What's going on, buddy? Nice to see you popping in. Appreciate the happy Monday. Happy Monday indeed. So as I'm saying, things are happening for cryptocurrencies. But before we start, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. Please consider hitting that subscribe. It does help the Ganja Goons gang. We are growing in the crypto space as well, and we just want to take over everywhere. So with that being said, I'm going to go right into the market. Give me 1 second, boys. Here we go. All right. The CMC Crypto Awards. Hey, wait a second. What's that? We'll read about that. McGuire, nice to see you, buddy. Always a pleasure. Oh man. Oh, our boy McGuire, Teddy. So as I was saying, things are happening in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin marching towards 55K. Can it do it? We're going to talk about that during the chart segment. But real quick, what I want to do is talk about the global crypto market cap. 2 trillion. Oh boy, 2.08 trillion. We are well above. Guys, there was a point where we thought at 1.01 trillion, when we saw this number at 1.01 trillion, we were going to continue to go down because there was nothing that looked like it was going to save us. And then finally, look at us now. We have 2x that market cap from where we were, guys. Like, applaud yourselves. We made it. We are the true goons. We've been here since the beginning. Hey, William, nice to see you. It's have been a long time, but here I appreciate it, buddy. It has been a long time, but I am here. Yes. Teddy, we are going to the moon. Dynastic Wolf, we're going to the moon. We're already there, and we're gonna go even further in. We're gonna see if the moon is hollow, if you will. Oh man, Wolfpack, stand up. Bro, that's where it all started. It's Saitama brought us to where we are today. So it made us better traders and made us better investors. And some of us are still holding. Don't fud my bag, bro. That was my original bag. So as I was saying, things have. Hey, John Crispala in the house, the OG goon, the goon that knows the futures. Oh, John, I saw you guys were killing it this weekend. Unfortunately, I was traveling. I wasn't able to chime in 100%, but the trades I saw, I was like, dude, this guy just every single time, how does he get it? And I believe from our last conversation, I'm getting better myself. So we'll see. So as I was saying, BTC is making that move up. We're going closer to the more greed section. I love it. I love everything we're seeing in the market. Really getting to that 55K, 3,180. Yes, 3,200 will be achieved. And then the greatest of them all, BNB. When I left you last, I was like, guys, it is still early for BNB, and BNB hits 400, and I still go with still early. I BNB at 600 to 800 in the foreseeable future. So let's get DGen again. Let's do it, Teddy. The markets are up. The issue I have right now is I don't have enough ETH to with the gas right now. So I need to either figure out when gas is going to get low so I can get ETH, or I need to start selling assets, which I also need gas for. I need to somehow acquire ETH, and I'm not sure how to do it properly. So I'm going to figure that out. and then get ETH to that wallet and just start transacting, and we can degen again. Oh, degen Teddy. Oh boy, that's the stuff. But as I was saying, things are happening. Hey, what is going on? Iron Lux Trader in the house. We love to see that. Oh boy, rocket ships up 54K and counting. Dude, they're just gonna start pushing this. I just want to just stare at the Bitcoin chart all day, but everything in my mind is like, we have a pattern. We got to do the thing the right way. Market, news, charts. But I'm like, guys, let's just stare at the thing. I'm keeping an eye on it. 54,000 Dynastic Wolf degenning at the sorry, still sick. Dynastic Wolf, there is I think you're in our Telegram actually, so you do know about it. And if you're not, you need to get in our Telegram, add me. Come on now. Um so yeah, things are happening. The real thing was I expected Solana to have more of a kick than it did. I know not everyone's gonna agree. Hey, Teddy, 7% on the day is a lot, but yeah, really across the board, I was expecting Solana to go to like 120, but hey, time will only tell. It's a slow pace, but it may get there. 140 is my next resistance. So I got some moves that I need to make. So with that being said, I do want to move over to the crypto heat map and just talk about these dominances, because that ETH dominance continues to rise. BTC's dominance is stabling up. We're still at 51%. Gives Teddy a virtual hug. I appreciate it, buddy. I needed the hug. I hope things are going well. It's time to panic buy before I get left behind, right? That's the thing. Guys, there is going to be potential consolidation, but the thing is going to be how much more down are we going before the next leg up? Because that next leg up, I have an article which talks about it. They're saying we're 21% away from all-time high. As soon as 55K is achieved, we're 21% from all-time high. And guess what we know about 21%? Bitcoin can make 21% trades within like 2-3 days, all-time high again. All-time high again. So we are entering a very interesting territory. We are battling the halving, which is the momentum that I believe is driving this, because nothing else. I've dug deep for us, guys, trying to figure out what's going on. Maddie B in the house. Oh snap! We love to see it. We love to see it. Oh snap! Iron looks Trader, Maddie B. Oh, we got all the goons. We got all the goons. But it really is coming down to what is going to be the next altcoin that is going to start moving up in market caps, because we know, hey, these dominances are established. So when the guys are going, hey, time to start degenning again, we're really degenning into these altcoins to figure out, hey, where else can we make a next leg up? Like Litecoin, right? We've ridden Litecoin all the way to 100, all the way down to I think like 50, and then or 60, and then back up. So it's just constant playing of the game, and we're getting quite good at it. So if you guys are still clueless as to what's going on in crypto, join the Telegram group, guys. It's free. Just message me on Telegram at TEDIGANJA. It's in gigantic letters behind me. So I will get you free. There is no cost to this. We're all like-minded guys trying to make the right move. So shout out to BNB. Dude, it is just solidifying itself. I love the pattern. As soon as the long position came in, I had a feeling it's time it was making moves. XRP is the other one. 65 cents is still my target. If 65 cents isn't achieved, pretty sour on XRP, but XRP is making levels up. And we are seeing that dominance grow. So 1.44, and then Solana with the 2.36. So I know there was a point where, hey, the market caps were battling it out. Currently, we're not seeing that. And if we go volume wise, we're seeing, hey, a lot of volume in USDT, BTC volume, ETH volume, and then I see this FDUSD, which is First Digital USD, and most of the things after that drop off, but it is very similar to market cap. So I go, all right, nothing too crazy. We're gonna keep it real. And now comes the biggest gainers, Theta Network, $1.95. And I feel like every time I look at Theta, I'm just like never considering it, but it is the clear winner today. Stacks, the other one, ST, like I'm just shocked. SDX like out of nowhere, and then helium, like, which you guys and I both have talked about. Hey, I have a miner, and we're just hitting numbers that I have never fathomed before. And now move over to Bonk, and this is where we're seeing everything is going up. We're at least up 4%, at least minimum. But there are losers, right? So WorldCoin had a great week, guys. The graph had a great week. We had Crypto Norval talk about the graph the entire time. It was making moves up. Dimension was $7, holding so strong for so long. But these are all expected consolidations that we need to have. Filecoin had a great day yesterday, so it is expected. And we're gonna see as the market goes up where these are going to go. So if I'm looking for entry points, most of these look like good entry points apart from WorldCoin. I did find an article. We're going to talk about WorldCoin because there is some interesting things that are coming out as we dig more into Sam Altman's WorldCoin and what it actually has behind the tokens. So we're going to talk all about that during the news as well. But yes, I wanted to give the shout outs to, oh yeah, Gala. I'm sorry. Did I forget Gala, Chili's? This is all expected. We're having a great momentum, especially with the crypto market. Jasmine coin. Oh, dude, 2 cents is going to happen, man. I can feel it. We're going to hit 10 cents before we know it. Oh boy. Now that's what I'm saying. These altcoin games are really going to be the thing. So one thing is Bitcoin is not trending, but I promise you it is there. You just got to dig deeper. It is number 12. So, I only look at top 10, but as I'm digging more and more into Coin Market Cap, I'm liking what I see. Oh, yeah. Honk is another one. Oh, Teddy. Where's Coochie Boy? Teddy, I need that honk. Wait, actually, I think we don't have Coochie Boy. Oh, we're gonna have to figure out. Hey, Coochie Boy, where were you, man? The one thing you had, check in with the goons, and look what you did. Uh, he's probably busy. Normally, he is here. We're gonna continue on with the news. As I was saying, dude, Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to 55,000, guys. 21% gap from all-time high if 55,000 is achieved. So that's basically what we're feeling, that all-time high of 69,000 in November 2021. It can be done. It can be done. And right now we're at 54,700 when the market cap is only 2 trillion. The last time we got to 69 trillion, the market cap had to get to 4 trillion, right? So it is quite interesting the differences in market caps, the global crypto market cap versus the Bitcoin market cap. And really, what it comes down to is, can it be done? And the momentum is saying yes. I believe 61K now sounds achievable if and only if 55K is sustained. And then we have that straight consolidation. Sorry, I only have a few guys' messages come through. I'm just checking. Okay. Okay, sorry, it was just a group message that I need to mute now, but I like that group. I want to know what's going on all the time. Regardless, yeah, things are happening, guys, and I want you to position yourself now that if you do not have the money for Bitcoin, it's not the end of the world. But owning even a little bit of Bitcoin now, that could turn into massive amounts for that longer term 20-25 year hold. Not everyone's going to be with me there, Teddy. I need money now. I can't wait 20-25 years. We're looking for generational wealth here, so we're going to do it right. Good deals later, fellas. I'll see you later. I'm Lux. Thanks for stopping in, buddy. I bought a bunch of altcoins. Some I did even know what they are. Just bought $300 of those and see if we can get 10x or more off all of them from Coinbase. That's it. That's it. And the Coinbase ones, they do fairly well. I wanted to do it. And I got Rug. How are you, buddy? Nice to see you. I had another 5K of altcoins this weekend to make sure all my wallets are packed. I'm assuming that's what that is. All my suitcases, all my bags are packed. I got you. I got you. No, but that is a very, very smart thing to do, especially looking at the biggest losers and looking for entry points. If we know the market cap is going to continue going up, we know these guys are just having good consolidation right now. So find an entry point, except WorldCoin. Let me inform you guys about that as well. But yeah, global crypto market cap is moving up 54, 55K maybe. I'm seeing 54.7 hold pretty steady right now. Uh, it is literally getting to the point of we are watching history happen uh, before our eyes, and it is amazing to see. And continuing on, Coinbase, as even I got Rug said, hey, it is important getting into those altcoins. Coinbase gave us a little walkthrough, a little see through, a little peek into what's going. Akash Network and Ronin. So we've had goons come in and talk about Ronin. Ronin is getting slated to be listed on Coinbase. Coinbase even talked about how their criteria is super rigorous, but really it's getting to the point where Coinbase is listing whoever the hell they want. And for those of you guys that can see it, they have 2 Fs given about Gary Gensler. There is zero. We don't care. Gary Gensler, sit down. Right? Coinbase is listing whoever they want, whenever they want. They're a publicly traded company. We're seeing even their stock do very well. So we know things are happening in the right right time, and it is great. All over Ronin. Here it is, John Crispalla. I knew some of the goons were in there. I was seeing you guys thing, and even Akash Network. So we know Ronin slated for the Coinbase listing. So at some point, it's going to go even more because as historical patterns have been, every time a token gets listed on Coinbase, it may not be immediate, but within that week, it usually does great price action. And that, it could be market manipulation, it could be market making, whatever it may be. It is intriguing. So this is an experimental asset. So they do have a bunch of experimental assets. I'm in a few experimental ones myself. Let me shoot out the one that I was looking at and got into. I think it was called Parsec. We're still in Parsec. We've been in Parsec a long time. Let me see here. Yep, I have Parsec, PRQ, which was also an experimental asset. And hey, if it 10x's and something takes off, now's the time, So don't bank all your, or don't put all your ducks in the same basket, but definitely move them around. Let me see here. Hey, brah, what's going on? I love to see ya. Love to see ya. Hey, brah, what's going on? Love to see the goons coming together, dude. I am counting down the weeks. I'm gonna be seeing Clean Smoke relatively soon, within this upcoming month. And I also have downtime. Right, there's gonna be a period of time, goons. I'm letting you know now, where I'm not streaming from like the 14th to the 18th. So you missed 2 streams. There's going to be 2 streams. I'm going to be MIA first. So just know, hey, I'm returning on, I believe I would return on the 21st, but if not, I would return on the 25th. But I will keep you guys updated. Maybe 3 streams now. I'm not sure how my week will be once I return. But I'm meeting up with Clean Smoke as well during my trip. We'll see him at the concert. I'm going to a concert. He's attending the same concert. So it's pretty funny how the world brings us together. I have both Roan and AKT. You have both the Akash Network and Ronin on your, but not in my portfolio, dude. What? You need maybe still consider, because especially Ronin, the way John has been trading and flipping it, I think Ronin's still early considering the all-time high. I believe we are about to see much money injected into Bitcoin that will pump the market. Oh, dude, I got Rug. I would be so happy. Triple G Shaman says. Nice to see you, buddy. Always a pleasure. I appreciate all the love in my other YouTube uh, channel, Explore the Weird. Guys, if you guys aren't exploring the weird with Teddy, you need to explore the weird with Teddy. We dropped another video today, doing fairly well. Go check it out. Just came out 3 hours ago. But it is a secondary channel, and we are doing a lot of creepy investigations, creepy reactions, if you will. So what's going on, Selmo Fudd? How are things? Nice to see you, buddy. Big Armory, find an entry on Ronin for sure. It's been a performer in my portfolio, dude. Everyone's talking Ronin. Get into that, but also know when to get out because John Crispalla and the goons, they've been trading that. What was it? First, it was hard to find on leverage, and then we got it on leverage, and we've been flipping it. So and then we had to figure out for one of them, at least for me, I had to sign up for a different exchange, and John had to walk me through it. Dude, we have a great group of guys. Get informed, make educated decisions. Um, so yes, that was Coinbase. I also had another one where I want to talk NFTs because now you guys don't see me every day, but the times I connect with you, I want to make sure I'm giving you useful information. It's not only for the live viewers. I see you guys in the analytics watching even after the recording. So whether you're watching me live or not, I appreciate you and you are a goon. Regardless, guys, I do want to talk about NFTs and the surges that we could potentially see as we see the crypto market goes up. But don't get all swept up with all NFTs. Know which NFTs are trading frequently, are popular, because the NFT market is a whole different game than the crypto market. There are similarities with the tokens and the coins, but the NFTs is just different, right? So these guys came out, blockchains by NFT sales volume. They basically laid out, hey, here's all the blockchains, and here's the amount of sales we see in there. So the one that they're highlighting here is Arbitrum. I know this is hard to see, but the Arbitrum is showing 119% increase in sales, and it's showing $1,262 dollars, and it is just wild. It is just wild to know that there is almost double in sales increase in the last 24 hours, right? So something is going on, and we go, hey, is it potentially wash trading, right? And people go, hey, what's wash trading, Teddy? And wash trading is a thing where people artificially pump the NFT prices. And it's actually showing that, hey, it's not even wash trading. Wash trading was only $1,489 that this algorithm could calculate. So then you go back and you're like, hey, Arbitrum NFT sales are increasing. That's great. But really, this is just like, 10% of all the markets. You look at, hey, where's the real money at? You see Bitcoin sales almost 20 million, Ethereum 18 million, Solana at a solid 10 million. All these 1 million and below seem artificial, and even the Arbitrum does feel artificial, even though the wash trading doesn't come up. Oh, dude, are you into MAGA right now? Wait, what's going on? Bitcoin about to get to 250 billion injected one day, just like Nvidia and the Nasdaq. We're going to see 10K move up in Bitcoin in one day. You hear it here first. I got rug. Completely agree with this statement. I do believe this is the dream that we are living in a scenario where the grid goes out and all we can have is access to our cryptocurrencies, because hey, come on, my solar farm is still running, Teddy. I can still make a satellite connection, or I can still do whatever it may be. It'll be a quite different scenario when it comes time to see if it pans out for Bitcoin. But yes, I am a big believer. I'm a big believer. I used to have a gigantic Bitcoin astronaut behind me. Trust me. You all needs to find a pullback entry on MAGA. It's been going bananas. Mark Noby, MAGA. Dude, Mark Noby has been chilling me MAGA since last year. We 420% the last time. Mark Noby is just killing it, dude. I can only imagine how much he's up right now because he got in early and he's been sustaining that quite well. So doing fairly okay. Now, this is the other thing. We go to the 7 days and you see Arbitrum does drop off and we get to number 6. So really, it's still Ethereum, it's still Bitcoin, and it's still Solana that hold this market for NFT sales. So when you're getting into NFTs, currently we are down. We're way down, but there will be a point where this bottoms out and the NFTs may take off again and have another run up. So don't get left behind. If there's certain NFTs you're following, Who is it? Dimes Crypto. He keeps telling me Mickey NFTs are gonna come back, bro. I bought Mickey NFTs 0.3 ETH each, and we just that was a bad trade, and we just got to live up to it and move on to the next one. Unfortunately, not all NFTs are gonna pan out, and just know the ones that you're looking at. All right, and now here it is, the final news article, which is WorldCoin, WorldCoin, WorldCoin. Guys, I do want to talk about WorldCoin. It has made great strides up, but there is some interesting things going on with who owns WorldCoin. So there was things going where people were trying to figure out all these unlocking and the token allocations that exist in WorldCoin. And people actually found from the tokenomics and the airdrops, a big chunk of those tokens are allocated to venture capital firms. And you know what's crazy? Alameda Research and 3 Arrows Capital, 3AC token unlocks data show that more will be unlocked in less than 5 months. We're literally getting to a point. We're literally getting to a point where potentially, when these unlocks happen, someone's going to take profits. Now, we all want to believe, hey, the team or these venture capitalists have enough money and they're just going to reinvest and relock, but that's wishful thinking. I've seen VC firms, I've seen how these guys want to make money. And if selling is the only way, they're going to sell in order to make that money. And maybe that's where we find our entry point. But just know right now we're doing okay, but this may not be sustainable. This may not continue. And this could go down a little bit more than anticipated before it makes the next leg up. It will make a leg up. It does have an interesting concept and utility on building that digital identity system for payments and everything. When it comes down to it, doesn't the CEO of OpenAI? Yeah, Sam Altman. Sam Altman. That's it. John Crispalla. That is true. I faded MAGA entry at 31 cents in early January. Mistakes. I'm making mistakes everywhere. Big A Armory. Just keep holding. There's no mistakes from holding. Kinda out of pocket. Wait, what's? Hey, Teddy. Hey, Coochie boy. Where the hell were you? We were like talking so many things, man. I was like, oh, we're gonna have to beat down on you next time we see you. But here you are. You checked in with us. Everything's all fine again. We're in the same reality. Okay. All right. So yes, that's literally all I had for news. Just keep an eye on it. There's a lot of allocations to venture capitalists, and even the allocations that are there. Keep in mind, Sam Altman has like 90% of this allocation, and we're only trading on the mere like 1% he has released. So we'll see what happens. Only time will tell. And with that, I will go over to the chats. I need to look at the chats. Oh, buddy, I need to look at the chats too. You don't even know. So Bitcoin, we are looking at the 1.618 level. I want to get to 55,000, and we got to 55,000. It happened. Oh my God. I missed it, buddies. 55,181 and it retraced. Holy crap, that is great. And the Andean is super wide. And keep in mind, this long position came in on January 30th. So we've rid this since almost 42K to 54K, guys. So still no signs of slowing down. Super wide Andean oscillator. We should be buying altcoins, because when the new people come, they will be pump our bags that we can be degenerate and buy on the DEX, because new people don't know how to buy in DEX Uniswap. Yes, that is exactly right. That is exactly what we need to do. I got rug. That is exactly what you should be doing. Start looking at those altcoins now, and don't get left behind, because what you're saying is potentially what's going to happen, and know when to take profits. And you watching this is able to make those smart decisions. Anyone qualified for the portal airdrop? I did not actually end up checking after I messaged you, but I hope so. So 1.618 was achieved. We blew past it. I still have the fib retracement. So now anything higher I will take, but at some point I do believe this will come down. But in theory, if we keep going up, 3,644 next Fib retracement level. I haven't moved it up or done anything. I love what I see. But in reality, if we do move this up, uh, there is not too much of a difference that I can say as of, hey, we are still quite bullish because everything is screaming money's coming into crypto right now. So here's that BNB. Here was that 399 that we had predicted, and I said, hey, if we blow past 1.618, my next level is really 400. And look at us now, guys. This is how smart our analyses are getting. And really, we have to see, how much higher can BNB go. And I keep going back to, hey, Fib retracement did say 500 was achievable, so 400 still feels earlier. I charted BTC for 56K on the 15-minute earlier. Looks like it might happen sooner than later. I mean, we're at 55,300. Holy crap. Holy crap. We just made moves. We just made moves. We just made moves. We just hit Fib retracement. Look how nicely that lined up too. Wow, that is wild. That is wild. We are watching history, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how close we are. Look how much we've suffered. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is crazy. We have been through all of this. All the goons. We have been through all these levels. And we are now here. Oh my god. I'm so happy inside. It's like overwhelming. I never thought this would happen, guys. This is just crazy. This is just crazy. This is just unbelievable. Wow. I'm hoping 61K. That's really my next achievable goal, which really puts it about halfway between not really actually. Yeah, about halfway. 60.5 is halfway, but 65K is what Fib retracement says. But hey, if this is like Ethereum and we blow past it, I'll take anything above. Crazy how long bear markets last. Dude, yeah, we will be 60. That's literally what I feel. Look at this trajectory on Ethereum. Look at this trajectory on Bitcoin. Look at this trajectory on BNB. You're not telling me next week we're going to not be all way up here, boys. Dude, imagine we see 100K Bitcoin before the halving. Oh my God. It's not. It's not. I know. I know it's not. We're not going to see 100K Bitcoin till after the halving, at least in theory, but they are running this up. The money is coming in. Oh my God. We are literally watching history. Triple G just put support at 44,000. It is a long way down, but I love it. In this consolidation period we went through, and we may have another consolidation period now at 55K and another leg up, and then boom. That's it. Let's get that institutional FOMO to come in. Elon, start buying. Elon, I want that $5 billion purchase, which is just like a drop in the a haystack. There's not much his 2 billion is going to do. Maybe push it just a little, but over the next course of the months, it would do very well. Michael Saylor, start Bain. Can you check liquidation maps? I have never checked liquidation maps, I guess. Let me see. Crypto liquidation maps. I have never actually checked liquidation maps, so bear with me here. I do not know how it's actually done. What is this? Is this an explanation? Liquidation maps, Teddy. Dude, cumulative liquidation leverage 15 million. Is this how much has been liquidated? Current price 55,500. Dude, it is just booming. Yo, 16 million in liquidations. How to understand liquidation map, also known as a liquid map, provides a visual chart or liquidations risk in the futures cryptocurrency trading market. It displays the liquidations that are predicted based on previous price trends. Analyzing the map is relatively small. The positions got liquidated. Okay, give me this. The x-axis represents the market price, y-axis represents the intensity of liquidation. So yeah, this is the intensity of liquidation. Yeah, then 15 million. Bro, what? Wait, this says 2.41 billion? Oh, no, it still says million Binance. Oh, these are different volume things. Okay. So yeah, 2.95 billion. It's a bubble map or book map. Is it a bubble map or a book map? This looks like a thing by itself. I've never heard of it myself, Liquidation map from Binance too, dude. And look at all these other ones we can get. I didn't even know there was leverage trading in Coinbase for Bitcoin. I guess I haven't been paying attention. But dude, people are going longs all the way to 61K, but people are also going shorts like anything, it looks like 48K. I do not know how to read this. I guess I need to do some research and get educated, but it seems intriguing. I feel like I can learn a lot. Wait, let me just finish off these. So XRP 55, it did go down. I do want to get to 0.61H, which is still 65 cents. Shiba Inu doing the Shiba Inu things. That long position stays, and we're still above 0.618, which then I go, hey, we're gonna soon see 4013. So I'm calling it here. I believe it's gonna be achieved. Dogecoin doing fairly well. We're above my resistance. Triple G put up a resistance at 9. So keeping an eye on it. If we close above 9, I'm going to my next level of resistance. But right now, I'm hoping that's exactly where we're headed. Pepe also doing fairly well. That long position came in. We're staying, and we're maybe closing above the 0.618. If we do, I go super bullish, and I do believe what is it now? 502361 will get achieved. So I think it's a matter of time, and just be ready for it. Find your positions now and don't get left behind. And even Bonk, we had another quick flip crossover. And with Bonk, it's a mystery, but I'm hoping this one holds this time. But just in case it doesn't, be ready for another quick flip. And they may just push this down. It doesn't seem to have the same momentum as Shiba, Doge, and Pepe currently. How's my FLR? Actually, let me move over to Goon Time. We'll start looking at some of the Goon Time chats here. FLR, I have not checked. FLR, Teddy. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. 5 cents. Dude, all-time high. Dude, look at this Andean oscillator on Coinbase, bro. That is wild. I'm telling you, when things list on Coinbase, it usually does fairly well. It takes time, but when it does, everyone's moving there. All these American guys need to use Coinbase, or it's got market share for volume. So I feel with that, they may explode like and be the Binance of the United States. So I'm optimistic on what can happen. But yeah, Flare looking very good. Think Grok will run. Actually, I've been doing futures on Grok. I have it charted here. It did come out with the long position. And if you look, it's very, very hard to tell. But this Andean is widening, which is also intriguing. And we blew past our initial level of resistance. So if you don't already have a position, I'm going, hey, this may be bottom, and we may see more legs up. But currently, Andean Oscillator does appear, Mark Noby, like it is widening. So I am going optimistic on Grok, and it is something I am actively trading. The other one being CKB. We have made good profits. It's doing another run and really consolidating. So I'm trying to find a good entry point and see if I can ride it back up. And then Ordinals has gone up and down, and now we're kind of making our way back up. 73 was really the level of resistance we've seen, and we're currently at 68. So hey, if the market is going up and I see the Andean flip, and I know Bitcoin's going up, I'm going, it just makes sense to get into an altcoin like Ordinals. So don't come after me when Ordinals takes off and you guys like, Daddy, you never told me. But keep in mind, there is a risk to Ordinals. It is a known security exploit in order to have the Ordinals framework with their program data and sending it in the block chunks as program data to kind of cheat the system. So there are faults as well. But yeah, definitely things I'm considering. All right, let me see here, guys. Is there any other chats you want me to look at? Otherwise, I go bye-bye. You will see me again on Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. In the meantime, do check out Explore the Weird on YouTube. We are, really chopping away. And what's intriguing is the subscriber counts are going up a little bit more on Explore the Weird than the crypto channel currently. But I do believe that will also change because the guys I'm working with for Explore the Weird are going to come over to the Crypto Future channel and also help out with the SEO and stuff. And one of the main things is they've been asking I make certain types of videos and they're kind of cringy. And I'm like, dude, this is like not what I'm about, but we'll figure that out when it comes. Kulo. Let me check it out. Kulo, Teddy. Kullo. Oh, I can't get it on here. Let me see if I can get it on Dex Tools. Kullo. Oh, dude, it's actually doing fairly okay. Because if you look at it, it's underneath the Bollinger Band. Looks like it kind of bounced off there, so it's making its way up to that top band. So find times to take profits if it does go up. RSI at 44, potentially, Coochie Boy, but you've suffered a lot. It has bled from potentially where it was to where we are now. So now you need to find that reversal candle. So don't get caught left behind and just know. But knowing me and you, we're going to hold till zero. So we'll see. Floki chart. Let me see. Do I still have Floki on my? I do not. Yeah, it was free. That's right. We're gonna hold till zero anyway. They have something coming. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. If I did not know if Loki was doing as well as it appears to be from the chart. This is the Binance listing here, but it looks like we're achieving that all-time high yet again from that original Binance listing. That is crazy. Dude, that is crazy. Wow. Yes, but it's straight 2x from the bottom here, from 2 to 4, right? It went from 402 to 404. So yeah, not bad. Still seems early. Let's go 55K, Daddy, 55.6, and it keeps going. So really, 60K now is achievable if 55K was achieved. We talked about it, and during the news segment, it's going to happen. That all-time high, that's 65K, 61K at least. Oh boy, I'm getting excited. Bryn Rex, nice to see you, buddy. How are things? Hope everything is going well. We're actually just about wrapping up, just trying to see if there's any other chats, but I'm not seeing any other call outs. So that is it, guys. I go bye-bye. You won't see me again till Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you come back, tune back in, come check in with the Goon Gang. We love to see everybody. Just celebrated by that's the way to do it, buddy. Buy a new car, get some stuff done, do the right things. Glad to hear. All right, I am out of here. See you guys next time. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Get informed,